cyber threats are evolving fast. In 2025, hackers are using AI, deepfakes, and more to break into systems. Stay ahead of the game. Here are the top cybersecurity threats you need to watch out for. AI isn't just helping businesses, it's also being used by hackers. AI-powered malware and automated attacks can bypass security systems, making cybercrime faster and harder to detect. Fake videos and voice recordings are tricking people into sending money or revealing sensitive data. Imagine getting a call from your CEO, but it's actually an AI-generated deepfake. Cybercriminals are now selling ransomware tools to anyone. Even people with no hacking skills can launch massive cyber attacks, demanding money from businesses and individuals. Your smart fridge, security cameras, and even connected cars could be entry points for hackers. With billions of IoT devices, weak security makes them easy targets. Hackers don't always attack companies directly. They go after suppliers. A single compromised vendor can lead to massive breaches, like we've seen in past attacks on major corporations. More businesses are moving to the cloud, but weak security settings can expose sensitive data. Misconfigurations and insider threats remain a major risk. Cyber threats are getting smarter and more dangerous. Stay safe by keeping your software updated, using strong passwords, and being aware of phishing scams. Want more cybersecurity tips? Like and subscribe for the latest updates. Stay secure and stay informed.